Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. So today is Sunday, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I decided to do Walmart grocery pickup this week because I was out of town for work last week, and so yesterday was not very productive, so it was nice to just kind of sit and make my grocery list and order it all on the computer last night while I did my meal plan. So I did spend about $140 at Walmart, and then I had to go to Hy-Vee to get just a few things that Walmart didn't have. So all in total I spent around $150. So let me show you what I got and then I'll show you the meal plan. So I needed quite a bit of produce because we were out of almost everything, or it had gone bad. Not much actually went bad. I only had to throw away a couple of items of produce, but I did get some bananas because we were totally out of those. I also got a pineapple. I need this for a recipe, but I don't think I need the whole thing. So I'll probably end up using half of it for the recipe and then cutting up the other half just to have on hand to eat. We're out of apples also, so typically I normally get the Gala apples, the 3-pound bag, and then I just pre-wash them and put them on a bowl on the counter, and then the kids can grab them if they want a snack. I did get some fresh dill for a recipe. I was actually afraid that they weren't going to have this because sometimes my Walmart is super hit and miss with the fresh herbs. So they did have this. That's going to be for a cucumber salad. And also for the cucumber salad, I decided to get some of the mini cucumbers. So got those, and then a bag of the tricolor peppers. So yellow, red, and orange. I ordered 2 pounds of broccoli. I don't think this is 2 pounds. It doesn't feel like 2 pounds anyway, but hopefully they weighed it. I don't know. That's the bad thing about doing grocery pickup, is that you're not always sure, you know, how much you're gonna get because you have to calculate it by weight, but we'll make it work. I also got some jalapenos for a recipe and 2 zucchinis. I'm gonna roast these up tonight with dinner. I got 2 avocados, both for, well, one for a new recipe I'm trying, and then the other one is for tacos this week. We were also running low on limes, and I like to keep these in the refrigerator for recipes and drinks, and I like to squeeze these also like in my sparkling water. From Hy-Vee I did get some peaches. These are yellow Georgia peaches. Some of them are a little bit riper than others, but I'll wash these and put them in the fruit bowl as well. I did get 2 pounds of strawberries, so those actually look pretty good. The kids love those. Okay, so cilantro. I'm making tacos this week, and so I really wanted some fresh cilantro. I ordered it from Walmart and they didn't have it, so they substituted this. I also went to Hy-Vee, and Hy-Vee did not have any fresh cilantro either, so I'm assuming that there's some kind of a shortage right now. I'm not going to make the tacos until later in the week, so hopefully before then I can run to the store and find some. I got 2 russet potatoes, just a bag of shredded lettuce. Sometimes we use this in wraps, or I like it on tacos too. I got some tomatoes for sandwiches, and then I went ahead and got 2 packages of grape tomatoes. One of these is going to be for a caprese salad, and the other one I'll just wash to have on hand for snacking. I grabbed some baby carrots. I want to make some hummus today. And then I also got some yellow onions. I was all out of those, so I just got a 3-pound bag of those. I grabbed some grapes. I can't remember how much I ordered, but these were on sale this week for like 89 cents a pound, which is super cheap. A lot of times they're like around $3 a pound. So I usually try to wash these up and then have them in the fridge. Sometimes I do like grape and cheese cups, like with the sharp cheddar cheese, so that's really good. I cannot get these at my Walmart Sprouts, alfalfa sprouts, so I had to get them at Hy-Vee. They're only $1.99 there, so I went there and grabbed those. Okay, so feta cheese. I usually like to get the chunk feta so that I can cut it up myself and use it for recipes, but Walmart didn't have it, so they substituted these 2 packages of crumbles. I didn't catch it in time for her to take it off my order, so now I end up with a bunch of feta. But this has a best by date of October, so I can actually just put this out in the fridge in the garage, and I don't have to use it right away as long as I don't open it. So that's that. And then I grabbed just a little container of sour cream because we still had some left over. This is the almond milk that I like to get. Sometimes the kids use it on their cereal, and I use it in my smoothies. So this is the unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk. It's only 30 calories per cup. I grabbed some pizza sauce to have in the pantry, some breadcrumbs because I'm going to make meatballs this week. Parmesan cheese, I think we're all out of this, but if not, that'll just go in the pantry. Okay, so I got some romaine lettuce for salads this week, and then I decided to order some turkey from the deli. I've never done this before in the grocery pickup, but this is just like regular deli smoked turkey, so grab that. I got 2 bags of shredded cheese, so I thought the pepper jack would be good to try on tacos. And then I always just try to keep mozzarella cheese in the refrigerator because Connor actually likes it on quesadillas and like if we want to do homemade pizza too. And then one recipe this week that I want to try calls for sliced fresh mozzarella cheese. And they have this red pepper and basil mozzarella flavored mozzarella. I've had this before from Hy-Vee, and so I thought I would get that for that recipe. That looks good. I got some sliced provolone because I'm going to do Italian beef sandwiches this week. 2 blocks of the extra sharp Cracker Barrel. I actually ordered white sharp cheddar and I guess they didn't have it at Walmart, so they substituted this, which is fine. I got some flour tortillas for tacos. I decided to try the Chi-Chi's brand. Normally I've been getting the Mission ones and Adam said they're too like thick and doughy, so we're going to try these and see if these are any better. Okay, I got some black olives. I always like to keep those in the pantry. And then some jasmine rice. I have been liking to cook rice in the Instant Pot, and I just followed the directions on the Instant Pot website. So there's a couple recipes that call for rice this week, so I'm going to use that. I got some pepperoncini for the Italian beef. And then I also grabbed a can of the Progresso tomato basil. I bought these cheese crisp toppers at Costco, and I wanted to try them on top of this soup. I thought it would be good. We were almost out of grape jelly, so I grabbed a replacement of that. This is the only kind of jelly that Connor likes, is grape jelly for PB&J. I grabbed some white vinegar. We are out of kosher salt. This is the kind of salt I always use for cooking, so I grabbed that. I also got a pork roast for a recipe that I'm going to test out this week. What is that? I guess it's just part of the bread. I got some bread. We were totally out of bread for sandwiches, and then we won't eat all these this week. I'll probably end up freezing half, but these are just the white sub rolls from Walmart, and I like to like toast these when we're having Italian beef and have that on there. This was also a substitution. I had ordered just the Walmart brand of Texas toast, and they substituted the Pepperidge Farm, which is totally fine. 2 boxes of the grape Roaring Waters. That's the kids' favorite flavor. And then I actually ordered the cherry limeade Clear American sparkling water, but they didn't have it, so they substituted wild cherry. And then this is my favorite brand of the bubbly sparkling water, the blackberry. It's really good with lime in it, so I grabbed some of that. I was also out of my laundry sanitizer, so I've been using this when I do like towels or sheets. And then I also got 2 boxes of these glasses cleaner wipes. Adam and I both wear glasses, so these are super nice to keep on hand. I also keep some in my purse. So that is everything I got. Let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so tonight for dinner, I'm gonna make steak and chicken kebabs. I actually have some of the meat thawing out right here. So I have some sirloin steak and some chicken breast and some naan bread that is from Trader Joe's. That was all in the freezer, and I wanted to use part of that up. So I'm gonna do that tonight with some rice and cucumber salad and the flatbread, obviously. Tomorrow I'm doing the Pioneer Woman recipe for beef sandwiches. This is better, in my opinion, than the traditional Italian beef recipe. It does not use the packet of Italian dressing, which I find to be like sometimes too strong and salty. This actually uses like fresh rosemary and pepperoncini and beef broth. So I'll link that recipe down below. It's really good. I also did it, I think I did it in a freezer meal video before. And then with that, I'm gonna make caprese salad, and then we'll just have chips and fruit on the side. Tuesday, okay, so I have 2 bags of pasta. I'm gonna try to say this, arrabbiata, from Trader Joe's in my freezer that I need to use up. So I'm gonna make that, and then just make some meatballs to go on the side along with salad and garlic bread. Wednesday, I'm just gonna make beef tacos, and then we'll have like fruit and chips and salsa with that. Thursday, I'm testing out this recipe that's sort of modified from a couple different recipes for jalapeno pineapple pork. That's a crock pot recipe. and then we're gonna have rice and broccoli with that, and then Fridays we always either go out or have pizza. All right, so that's it for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. If you are planning out your meals for this week, let me know in the comments below what you're cooking. I always love reading those. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.